хорошо поперечной спинкой. Что ложится. Hello everybody, we will get stretching our middle spine. And how to do that, I have a very strong exercise which help you to do that. So stay with me and we will get started. So first what we will do, we will take it in this position and start to do press for warm up our legs. See, 1, 2, 3. Change legs. Take it 1, take it 2, take it 3, and sit 1, 2, 3. Good work. Let's take down on the floor. Take the legs up. You work it first with her. 2, 3, 4. Let's work on these two legs. Take it 1, 2, 3, and stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. So take breathe. Slowly breathe out and go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like it, subscribe, and write me a good comment. You will watch my other videos. So bye bye. Hello everybody, today we will do this split and how to do it. I will show you now some exercises which help you to stretch for this position. So stay with me and we will get started. So first exercise which we will take it in this eye and try to do this. So take it 1, 2, 3, stay, take it back, 1, 2, 3. Good work. Take this leg, push it, 1, 2, 3. Good work. Slide in this knee and slowly go down to the leg. So take it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can take this back like this and try pushing up and do like that. So good work. Slowly go in this side. Take breathe. Slowly breathe out and go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So thank you so much. I hope that you like it, subscribe, and take your likes and go and watch my other videos with this stretching. So bye bye. Лучше так начать на картинку или выровнять? Да. Да? Hello everyone, today we will go into our video speed with stretching how open your hips without pain and with good results. So you can get that. You can use blocks like that or like that. How you feel comfortable. So like that. We'll start working with right leg, pushing it up and relax. 2, 3, 4, and fix. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the new one, let's change our leg on the left. So one relax. So we will fix that and relax. Fix, relax, fix, relax, and fix. Try to stay and take it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Relax. Slowly pull your hands to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like it, subscribe, and take 2 likes, and write me good comments. So go and watch my other videos. Follow me and bye bye.
Ні, дуже сильно. Дуже.
Більше? Hello everyone, today we will start in those queens and how to search for these elephants. I will show you now some homework and how to do it. So we'll start drawing our legs. So 1, 2, 3. Let's change side of the 4 on ourselves and down. So 2 and 3. Go 4 and start pushing up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Try to take this back. We start to do pushings and back. 2 and try stretch out more and stay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Take the release. Slowly breathe out and move down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like and subscribe and send me a lot of likes. And bye bye. Hello everyone, today we'll do this position. And how to do it, I will show you now. So first what you will do is take in this position, take our leg, take breathe and push stretching our legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that take stretching leg and slowly go down. So 1, 2, 3, good work. Take open our hip, take elbow and push 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, our hand go and take our leg and start to do pushings up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If you can try to take your leg in one hand and do like that. So amazing work. Take the legs together, slowly breathe out and go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you guys so much. I hope that you like this stretching because this stretching will be on speed and how to stretch your body without pain with relax. So follow me, take likes, spread the good comments, and we'll watch another video. So bye bye. So guys, I will go to change my clothes and then we'll come back. So if you're watching this film, stay with me because you'll warm up and then it will be more interesting. So I hope